first part to threading the machine is to actually wind the bobbin. To do this, we'll be staying mostly on the top of the machine. Take your thread and have it so that the thread pulls from underneath. We're going to go ahead and put the thread onto the spool pin and put the spool pin stop so the thread is coming from the bottom. From here, we are going to take this around the thread guide, which is the screw on the top of the machine. We need to then thread the bobbin with the thread. You are going to come in through the middle of the bobbin and up through the hole on the top. So thread into the middle and up through the top circle of your bobbin. So it's going to look like this. If you hold it, it's going to hang up through the middle and out through the top. You are then going to take the bobbin and put it onto the bobbin spindle. Once you are here, hold up the thread that you pulled from the top in your hand. You are going to put the spindle in the locked position. The locked position is to the right. If the spindle is in the locked position, we also want to pull the hand wheel out. By pulling the hand wheel out, it stops our needle from going up and down while we thread the bobbin. So we're in the locked position here, hand wheel is pulled out. Once you are ready, hold on to the string from the top and push your foot pedal. This is going to cause your bobbin to wind and the thread to fill the bobbin. When you sew, you need 2 threads. One thread coming from the top, one coming from the bottom. The thread you put onto the bobbin is going to be the thread you get from the bottom. Once you are full, unlock your bobbin and cut the string. If you still have thread coming out from the top, you may also cut this at this time. So your bobbin should now look like this. We are going to move down to the bottom of the machine to put the bobbin into place. Once you have filled your bobbin, you need to put it into the machine. To do this, you are going to go to your release lever. You're going to push this to the right, and the plastic bobbin cover is going to come up. Go ahead and remove this to the side. The next step is to put the bobbin into the machine. You need to have the bobbin turning counterclockwise from the top. Once you do that, you go ahead and drop your bobbin directly into the machine. Down here, you're going to see a small arrow that's etched into the metal. Pull your thread down, and there will be a slight opening at the bottom. Your thread will go through here and then pull up to the left. Your bobbin is now in place and ready to go. Do not worry about replacing your bobbin cover just yet. We will do that after we thread the rest of the machine.